Respiration in plants. Floating respiration, protoplasmic respiration. Here substrate is carbohydrate and fat. Here protein is used as substrate. It keeps the cells healthy. It results in death of the cells ultimately. This process occurs continuously throughout the life and does not produce toxic products. This process occurs generally during starvation when carbohydrate and fat are not available and produces ammonia as toxic product. It is a common mode of respiration. It is a rare mode of respiration. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Here respiratory substrate is completely oxidized. Here respiratory substrate is incompletely oxidized. Oxygen is used in this process. This process does not use oxygen. Electron transport occurs in this process. Electron transport is absent here. It consists of three steps: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and terminal oxidation. It completes in two steps: glycolysis, incomplete breakdown of pyruvic acid. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. This process produces inorganic substances, that is CO2 and H2O. This process produces both organic and inorganic substances, that is ethyl alcohol or lactic acid and carbon dioxide. Here exchange of gases occurs. Here exchange of gases is absent. It requires assistance of mitochondria. Generally, mitochondria are not needed in this process. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. It is the normal mode of respiration performed by plants and animals. It is the normal mode of respiration in some parasitic worms and microorganisms. Large amount of carbon dioxide and energy, that is ATP, are produced, 36 to 38 ATP per glucose. Less amount of carbon dioxide and ATP are produced, only 2 ATP per glucose. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle. It is also called as EMP pathway. It is also called as TCA cycle. Glycolysis is a linear process. Krebs cycle is a cyclic process. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. Krebs cycle occurs in matrix of mitochondria and also in cytoplasm, for example, prokaryotic cell. Here glucose is broken down in pyruvic acid. Here active acetyl is completely broken down into CO2 and H2O. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle. Glycolysis is an universal, that is common process, occurs in all aerobic and anaerobic organisms. Krebs cycle occurs only in aerobic organisms, absent in anaerobic organisms. In glycolysis, there is consumption of 2 ATP. Here, ATP consumption is absent. Here, at substrate level phosphorylation, 4 ATP are produced from 1 glucose. Here, at substrate level phosphorylation, 2 ATP or GTP are produced from 2 active acetyl residues. Anaerobic respiration, fermentation. It represents a kind of respiration. It is enzyme controlled breakdown and transformation of organic nutrients. It is an intracellular process and cannot be exploited economically. It is both intracellular and extracellular process and can be economically exploited. Glycolysis, fermentation. It results in production of pyruvic acid. It produces either ethanol and carbon dioxide or lactic acid. It is common step in all organisms and does not use oxygen. It is performed by anaerobic organisms and does not use oxygen. It produces NADH2 and ATP. It utilizes NADH2 and does not produce ATP.